Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? It's your girl, Justania, and I'm here with another video. I'm in the process of eating a little bit of snack, It's the holiday season, so you gotta have some, got some sweet potato pudding and some black cake. Y'all know I'm a Trini girl at heart, but I love me some Jamaican food also. So I love me some sweet potato pudding. Okay, like all y'all Jamaicans out there who can make sweet potato pudding, hit a sister because I love it. Okay, love it. But yes, I'm having me a little snack, some sweet potato pudding and some black cake and some good old H2O to wash it down with. Yes, yeah. I know with sweets, I gotta wash it down with some water. I can't, not really a fan of soda, but water. But yeah, here I'm back with another video. I hope all y'all been doing okay. Y'all doing good. Y'all getting ready for the holidays, I hope y'all don't spend out all y'all money shopping for these kids. Yeah, I said it. It might be too late for me, but it's not too late for y'all. Okay, so don't spend out all your money shopping on these kids. Some of these kids, I remember when my kids were small, they used to play with the box. What's the sense of getting them the toy if they're playing with the box? So now I know. No, I did not get them a box, but now I know to be smarter with it. So yes, I'm back with another video. Black cake. I'm not really a black cake fan. I don't eat black cake a lot, but the person who made this black cake, she definitely got me to eat black cake. I ain't gonna lie. She made the sweet potato pudding also. When I tell you, I don't really eat black cake, but I eat her black cake. Cause you done? Go wash your hands. Because her black cake is the bomb.com. Why is this fork? These kids done broke the damn fork. Came with them. But yeah, I'm here getting ready for the holidays. These kids got 2 weeks off from school. I said it, 2 weeks. So this week is their last week. So they're going to be home with me, drive me up a wall for 2 whole short weeks. I'm not looking for I'm not looking forward to that, but such is life. Can't go wrong with water. But yeah, I'm here. My son, my 5-year-old son, this little boy think he's slick. He was misbehaving. So I turned to him and I told him, I said, if you continue misbehaving, all those toys and stuff that you got for the holidays, you're not going to get it. This little boy turned to me and told me, he's like, it's okay. If you don't give it to me, Santa's going to give it to me. Y'all know I had to shut that down real quick and bust his bubble. I was like, well, good luck with you and that, because there ain't no Santa. Santa ain't real. Santa is your mom, your dad, your auntie, and your grandma. People who's buying you the presents, those are Santa. So you keep pissing me off and you ain't getting shit. Because Santa don't come to this house. He don't live here. He ain't real in this house, okay? He think he's so slick. Like he always got to have a damn answer for everything. No. Continue misbehaving. And Santa ain't bringing shit because Santa don't exist. And this Santa right here is going to take everything back to the store and get her money back. I'm just saying. This little boy be pissing me off. I don't care if y'all mad that I tell him there ain't no Santa. I don't give 2 shits. There ain't no Santa. In this house, Santa is your mom, your dad, your grandma, your auntie. People that's buying you the stuff, those are the Santas. We ain't about no big fat man, suit, no. Ain't about that life over here. So I had to shut his ass down real quick. And I did shut him down. He looking at me like I had 5 heads. I don't care. I don't care. You ain't gonna get one up on me. You ain't getting one up on me at all. No, sir. I've been here longer than you. So when he think he can get one up on me, I always have to shut him down. Shut him way down. I tell you, this black cake is good. It's good. I'm going to bed happy. Knocked out tonight. Out like a light. And it's raining too. What? I'm going to be out like a light. Can't wait to put these kids in their bed. But yeah. So, I hope y'all holidays are shaping up nice. As I say, I hope y'all not spending too much money. And, you know, just enjoying each other, I guess, as a family. I need to drink some water with that. The thing is, I always use cups like these to drink water. I have a whole bunch of cups, Stanley cups. I have a whole bunch of them, but I use this one. But my Stanley's is for when I'm going outside. But I just recently cracked my tooth and it's broken. So I definitely got to drink out of straw until I could hit up the dentist for the new year when my appointment is. Yeah. So pray for me. So I got to be using straws to be drinking. So, you know, it's okay. I don't mind. I like being a little bougie when drinking from a straw. It's okay. But yeah, I didn't really have nothing to say tonight on my video. So I just come to make a quick little video, you know, telling you about my son and him being, you know, think he could be slick or whatever. And telling you about my black cake and my sweet potato pudding. You know, as I say, if y'all know how to make sweet potato pudding, hit a sister up. I love it. Yeah, my Jamaicans out there, hit a sister up for some black potato. I mean, black potato, sweet potato pudding. I'm mixing up the black cake and the sweet potato. You see, look at me. I'm ready to go to bed. You know, if you guys haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. You know, all this good stuff, you know. If y'all want me to talk about something, a certain topic or whatever it is like that, drop a comment there also. I'll try to do that also, you know, because my, you know, I tend not to follow, what's the name? I got my own ideas about things, you know, but if y'all want me to talk about a certain topic, let me know, you know. I'm here. I'm going to be stressed out with my kids running me crazy for 2 straight weeks, you know, so. But, you know, such is life. It's okay. I brought them into this world so I could deal with them. So, yeah, until next time, see you all on my next video. And enjoy the rest of y'all week. And as I said, don't spend all y'all money Christmas shopping or holiday shopping. I should say holiday shopping. Don't spend all y'all money holiday shopping. So I'll see y'all in my next video when I have something better or livelier to talk about. Okay? Alrighty then. Bye.